Welcome back to Investor Biggie Farms. So this pig just gave birth to cute, healthy piglets. Yeah, cool, healthy piglets that in hopefully 6-7 months they will be mature to reproduce or to go into the pots. So pigs are very good and nutritious animal. I think China is one of the most consumed place where pigs are being slaughtered and eat as protein. Pig is a very delicious meat, just know that. So these are cute piglets, just found by these pigs, very healthy. God be the glory. These are very healthy pigs. Yeah, healthy pigs.